What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore a game-changing printing solution that's about to revolutionize the way you create custom designs on various materials. I'm talking about the EXPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer, and trust me, this thing is a beast. From its incredible print speeds to its advanced diagnostic features, this printer is packed with innovations that will take your printing business to the next level. One of the most significant benefits of the EXPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer is the incredible value it offers in terms of ink and powder supply. With this printer, you get 5 by 250 milliliters inks and 500 G powder every 2 months for 24 months, which is essentially 2 years of ink and powder just by covering the shipping costs. This means you can focus on growing your business without worrying about the expenses of constantly replenishing your ink and powder supplies. Imagine being able to take on more orders and expand your customer base without the burden of high operational costs. This feature alone can save you a substantial amount of money and give you a competitive edge in the market. Another feature that really stands out is the 5-inch folding touchscreen and smart diagnostics. This intuitive LED touchscreen allows you to manage print jobs, clean nozzles, and adjust layouts with ease. The advanced motherboard is designed to prevent common printing issues, reducing errors, and saving materials. This means you can work more efficiently and effectively, without wasting time and resources on trial and error. The touchscreen interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate and use the printer, even if you're not tech-savvy. Plus, the Smart Diagnostics feature helps you identify and resolve any issues quickly, minimizing downtime and ensuring that your printing business runs smoothly. Now, let's talk about the printing capabilities of the EXPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer. With its advanced XP600 printhead, this printer can produce stunning 2880 by 1440 dpi clarity at speeds that are twice as fast as the L1800/L805 models. This means you can transfer vivid, detailed designs onto t-shirts, bags, leather, and polyester materials with ease. The print quality is truly exceptional, with vibrant colors and precise details that will make your designs stand out. Whether you're printing logos, graphics, or intricate designs, this printer can handle it all with ease. Plus, with its rapid A3 format production, you can print a full A3 image in just 3 minutes, which is a significant improvement over other printers in the market. The EXPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer also features secure software updates and automated maintenance, which means you can enjoy free, virus-free software upgrades and scheduled self-cleaning to prevent nozzle clogs and maintain print readiness. This feature gives you peace of mind, knowing that your printer is always up to date and running at its best. You can focus on your business without worrying about the technical aspects of maintaining your printer. With this level of automation, you can reduce downtime and increase productivity, which is essential for any business looking to grow and succeed. In conclusion, the EXPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer is a powerhouse of innovation and performance. With its incredible print speeds, advanced diagnostic features, and exceptional print quality, this printer is a must-have for any business looking to take their printing capabilities to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer has the potential to revolutionize the way you work and help you achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the EXPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer and start creating stunning designs like a pro. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your printing business to new heights. Get ready to unleash your creativity and unlock your full potential with the EXPLUX A3 Pro Max XP600 DTF printer.